good morning everyone! Welcome back sa aking channel. Guys, meron akong request na gagawin ngayon, which is request of Mr. Janvari. This is ito yung kanyang request. At ito ay continuation actually kung sa previous videos ko, which is yung parts of serger machine and its function. At saka yung second one is how to treat serger machine. He wanted me to show how to operate serger machine. So guys, samahan nyo ako and I will show you how to operate the 3-thread serger machine. So guys, these two pedals have different functions. The first one, or the small one, is for the freezer foot lifter. So if you push down the pedal, the foot lifter will goes up. The second pedal is connected to the clutch motor that controls the sewing speed. So guys, I will show you how to operate the 3-thread edging machine or serger machine. So guys, this is how the serger or the edging machine works. It answers your request and looking forward to request that you want me to do on my channel. And thank you so much guys to all my followers on sewing tutorial. Here they are. Sila guys yung mga nagmi-message sa akin sa messenger. So isa-isahin natin yan at sila yung aking ipapakita or sila yung aking isa-shout out for today. And in addition guys, panoorin nyo rin sa dulo or aking wifey friends na talagang sobrang supportive din sa akin.